Good morning, students. How are you? Fine? Okay. So today my topic is investment, fluctuation, reserve. So in last class we have already discussed workman compensation reserve. So today we are going to discuss investment, fluctuation, reserve. Again, it is very common topics in chapter number 2, 3, 4 and 5th. Now, first question is, what is investment fluctuation reserve? In short, we can use IFR. In short word, we can use IFR. What is IFR? So it is a fund, it is a reserve fund which is created out of the firm's profit. Once again, in a very simple language, it is a fund, it is the reserve fund which is created out of firm's profit. Basically, it is prepared to compensate the loss of investment. Because in a company, there are a lot of investment and there is a chances of losses. There is a chances of fluctuation in investment. So all this purpose we have to prepare this investment fluctuation reserve fund. This fund will be compensate the loss of investment. So today we are going to discuss accounting treatment and the cases of investment fluctuation reserve fund. So now basically there are three cases of this IFR. So one by one we will discuss this thing, discuss all the cases of IFR. So now first case is when book value and market value of investment is same. This is the first case and very simple case when the book value of the market, when the book value and the market value of investment is the same. Here the meaning is, suppose I have the investment of 1 lakh, this is my book value and the market value is also the 1 lakh. So here my book value is same as the market value. So there is no loss. There is no loss in this investment. So in this case, simply we will distribute this investment fluctuation reserve fund to the old partner in old ratio. Because there is a no loss. So in case of no loss, directly this fund will be transferred to old partner into old ratio. Clear? So now I am giving the examples. Suppose A and B are partner, profit same ratio is 2:1. Investment is given 1 lakh rupees. Okay, we can take 90,000 and the market value is 90,000. Same here. So here the investment value is also 90,000 and the market value is also the 90,000. So both are the equal. So there is no losses in our investment. So now what will be happening in this case? We will distribute this investment fluctuation fund into the old partner into old ratio. Now here IFR is given, suppose 60,000. IFR is given 60,000. So now here 19,000 and 90,000 means the book value and the market value, in that there is no changes, there is no loss. So now what I will do, I will transfer this IFR fund to the old partner into the old ratio. So now old partner is A and B and the ratio is 2:1. So now in this case, as we know IFR is the fund. That's mean it's a credit item. It's a balance sheet liability side item. So now we are going to transfer to the partners. So now we have to debit this item. So IFR account here to old partner. So old partner is A and to B. A and B. So now 60,000 into the old ratio. So 60,000 into 2/3, 60,000 into 1/3. So now it's a 40,000 and 20,000. Okay, sorry, 20,000. So now this is the final accounting treatment of IFR, when the book value and the market value of investment is same. Now anybody have any doubts? Any query? Okay. So now we are going to discuss the second case of IFR. Now the second case is when the book value, when the market value of investment is less than the book value. When market value of investment is less than book value. This is our second case. Case second is when market value of investment is less than the book value. So now here again Let's take example. With the example, we can easily understand this concept. So, when the market value, so suppose IFR is 60,000 and the book value and investment market value. So suppose book value is 90,000, book value is 90,000 and the market value is 70,000. Is it clear? Book value is 90,000 and the investment market value is 70,000. When the market value of investment is less than the book value, so it is very clear. The book value is this one and the market value is less than the book value. So now here there is a loss of 20,000. Our investment amount is 90,000, but market value is still 70,000. So there is a loss of 20,000. So this loss will be compensated from this investment fluctuation reserve fund. Then after that, the balance amount would be transferred to the old partner into the old ratio. Is it clear, everyone? So now the accounting treatment. So IFR account DR to investment to the balance figure would be transferred to A and B, means old partner. So now to A and to B. So IFR was 60,000. So now there is a loss of 20,000. There is a loss of 20,000. It will be compensated for the IFR. So 20,000 will be here. Now balance 40,000 will be distributed to the old partner in old ratio. So now suppose A and B are equal partner. So now in this case 20,000 for A and 20,000 for B. So this is the main concept. For the second case, if is any types of loss through the investment, that will be compensated through the investment fluctuation reserve, and then after that balance amount would be transferred to the old partner into old ratio. So this is the accounting treatment of second case investment fluctuation reserve. Thank you everyone.